Are we gonna go home now?
I'm waiting for,
Simone, did you have a good time with Grammy and Grandpa? Did we go to the museum? Who did you see there? And who else? Who'd you see? Did we see Dora? And did we play in the playground?
Dora the Explorer.
Did we see Dora?
And Diego too, or no?
yeah.
Go Diego.
How much fun did you have with Grammy and Grandpa? How much?
So much?
You're not talking now only because I wanted to record you? Okay, say bye-bye. See you later. Okay, love you. How much does Grammy love you? So much. Okay, say bye-bye. See you next time. Okay.